First, remove the tablet from the case. Once the tablet is removed, unzip the entire case to remove the XENO FX. Start with the XENO FX body. Using two hands, pull straight out. Remove the vertical fins from their cutouts underneath. Remove the backup transmitter. Remove the smart battery by pulling straight up. Also remove the sensor payload by pulling straight up. Remove the barometric telemetry module along with the corresponding connector. Remove the battery charger and related charging connectors. For installation of the smart battery, the XENO FX must be unfolded and on a flat surface. Insert smart battery wing locking tabs into the XENO FX at a slight downward angle into mating tab receptacle. Push down on the front of the smart battery even with the release tabs until a click is heard. Double check to make sure it's secure. To install the vertical fins, slide vertical fin over the trailing edge slot, pull forward, lock, in place. Push down until it clicks. Repeat for the other side.
When inserting the sensor payload, make sure the XENO is off. Hold the payload over the receptacle, push straight down, make sure the tabs are locked.
To install the barometric module on the tablet, plug the black tab of the USB cord into the barometric module. Clip the module assembly around the tablet. Insert red plug into the tablet USB port. To remove the vertical fins, place fingers on plastic supports along the trailing edge, push straight back and lift off. To remove the sensor payload, squeeze both tabs and pull straight out. To remove the smart battery, squeeze both tabs and pull straight up. The XENO FX is now free to fold. Although no particular order is required, it is best to start with the smaller components, the smart batteries, the sensor payload, and the Smart SX transmitter. Make sure the transmitter has been turned off. The barometric module, the charger and the accessories, the vertical fins must be repacked for the XENO FX. With the XENO FX folded in half, place straight down into the cutout. Close the case and zip up. Repack the tablet into the front pocket. Turn on the battery, push button, then release. 1 to 4 green LEDs will light up. After 1 to 2 seconds, push button again and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Release button when the green LEDs illuminate from bottom to top. To turn off the battery, push button and release. Green LEDs will flash. After 1 to 2 seconds, push button again and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Release button when green LEDs illuminate from top to bottom. You will need to insert the battery adapter. Positive lines up with a positive on the charger, so red on the right. Simply plug that in. After you've plugged the adapter into the RDX1 charger, you'll need to plug in the battery. Line up the pins and simply slide it into place until it's firmly on. With the charger plugged in and the battery connected, to start charging, simply hold the Start Enter button. The charger will let you know when charging has begun. To stop the charger, simply depress the Start Enter button again. Store in a cool, dry space. Do not expose to fire, extreme heat, or flammable materials. Do not leave connected to charger when not charging. Do not use smart battery if damaged. Replace battery when runtime performance is noticeably reduced. The XENO FX smart battery will automatically turn off if a minimum current draw is not detected for more than 1 hour. The XENO FX smart battery will automatically discharge to storage voltage after 10 days of non-use. Storage voltage extends the lifespan of the smart battery. When charging at the field from a car battery, place alligator clips on the negative and positive terminals. Black to negative, red to positive. Positive lines up with a positive on the charger, so red on the right. After you've plugged the adapter into the RDX1 charger, you'll need to plug in the battery. To start charging, simply hold the Start Enter button. When signing in and connecting to Hitec Mission Control for the first time, you need to be connected to Wi-Fi. You're going to click the Mission Control app. It's going to ask you to sign in. At this time, you're going to enter an email address and then click Save. Here I'm going to enter my own. So once you've created your sign-in account, you're going to go ahead and turn on the SmartSX transmitter and then turn on the XENO FX vehicle. Once both those are on, you're going to click on the Connect to Vehicle button. After it tells you you've connected to vehicle, it's going to go to Add the Connected Vehicle screen, and you're going to click on Register Vehicle. It's going to say Success, and then you're going to hit the back button twice, and your vehicle is now registered and ready to fly. All right, so let's go ahead and plan a mission. Now, if you're on location and you're connected to a mobile hotspot, you can actually use that GPS location to plan the mission. Now, you can also plan a mission off-site, and we're going to go ahead and do that. So touch the button in the lower left-hand corner, and you can either click on Mission Planning, or you can also click on the upper left-hand corner button and get to Mission Planning. But we want the new mission plan screen. So we're going to type in an address. So that just can be a street address, it can be a city. So we're going to type in, click on that. Now we're going to use 2 fingers to scroll out and to get to the location we want to see. Now I'm going to use my finger, I'm going to grab the home button, I'm going to move it over to where we want to be. Then click on the next screen. We're going to select Survey, and then we're going to select the vehicle type, and it's going to be the XENO FX. Click on Next. Now we're going to scroll in so we can draw the area we want to survey. Click on Draw the Area. We're going to hit Custom. I'm going to take my finger and draw around the area I want to survey. And actually, we're going to draw that a little clearer. So I'm going to hit Clear. We're going to hit Draw an Area, Custom,
and I am going to draw around the area. So once we've done that, we're going to hit next. So we're going to lower the altitude a little bit. We're going to fly at 90 meters. I'm going to click next. Mission speed is going to be 13 meters a second. I'm going to click on next. Now we're going to select the payload, and we're going to select the Survey 3W. We're going to move up the overlap to 70 and 70. Then click on next. Now we're going to rotate the flight path. So we can rotate the flight path depending on what the wind is. Typically you fly perpendicular to the wind. So we're going to assume for the moment that the wind is going to be pretty much blowing straight across the field. Click next. Now we're going to set the landing point. So we have parked over here on this road. That's where we want to land. And we want to land into the wind. Set the direction and name your mission. Click on Save. Now, to load this mission, simply find it in the list of missions, click on it, and there's the mission.